Hi, welcome to What's Happening. Here are the top 5 stories. At number 5, the federal government has postponed the administration of the second phase of COVID-19 vaccine doses in the country. Recall that the Director of Press, Office of the Secretary to the Government of the Federation, Willie Bassi, had announced on Saturday that the federal government would commence the administration on Tuesday. But in a notice on Sunday, Bassi said the exercise had been postponed due to unforeseen circumstances. He said a new date would be communicated in due time. This is as the Nigeria Center for Disease Control announced on Sunday that between August 1st and August 7th, over 3,707 cases were reported in the country with 53 deaths. At number 4, the National Drug Law Enforcement Agency has intercepted a total of 8,268 kilograms of illicit drugs, including cocaine, heroin, tramadol, methamphetamine, and skunk in Ondo, Akwa Ibom, Adamawa, Enugu, Bauchi, Edo, and Anambra states. 15 suspected drug dealers, including a woman on a wheelchair, were arrested during the week-long operations. This was disclosed in a statement by the NDLEA Director, Media and Advocacy, Femi Babafemi, on Sunday. Babafemi said the crackdown began on Sunday, August 1st and lasted till Saturday, August 7th, 2021. According to him, the suspects and exhibits were handed over to the Ondo State Command of the agency, along with a cash exhibit of 148,300 naira. At number 3, the People's Democratic Party has appointed Senator Uche Ekwunife as the Director General of the party's campaign for the Anambra governorship election. Ekwunife is the secretary representing Anambra Central Senatorial District. Adamawa State Governor Amadu Finitri announced this while addressing journalists in Abuja after the party's leadership meeting held at the residence of the PDP National Chairman Uche Secondus. Accepting the appointment, Ekwunife pledged her readiness to work together with all stakeholders to attain victory for the party. At number 2, billionaire businessman Captain Hosa Okunbo has died after battling with pancreatic disease. The Edo-born billionaire, who was a professional pilot and philanthropist, died on Saturday at the age of 63, 12 months after doctors reportedly said he had 9 months to live. President Muhammadu Buhari expressed grief over the passage of Okunbo, saying the late business mogul contributed immensely to the development of the Nigerian economy. Also, the governor of Edo State, Godwin Obaseki, and the immediate past national chairman of the All Progressives Congress, Adams Oshomole, have described Okunbo's death as a loss to Edo State and humanity. Similarly, doctors in the Commonwealth of Nations, Minister of State for Budget and National Planning, Prince Clem Agba, and many others have mourned Okunbo. At number 1, President Muhammadu Buhari has approved the site for the construction of the presidential wing of the State House Clinic within the Aso Villa. It was gathered that the Senate Committee on Federal Character and Intergovernmental Affairs had already visited the site during its oversight function to know the level of utilization of budgetary allocation to the State House. The Permanent Secretary of the State House, Umar Tijani, told members of the Senate Committee that when completed, the new wing of the State House Clinic would serve the Nigerian populace and particularly cater for the medical needs of the President, Vice President, members of their families, as well as other government officials. Tijani said the health project is expected to be completed in the next 2 years before the end of the Buhari-led administration. Always remember to wear your mask, wash your hands, and stay safe. That's all for now. See you next time on What's Happening.